Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Kia ora Cash here today from the All Things Health and Wealth Show, and absolutely awesome energy this day in the crypto space and in the market. And I just wanted to share a bunch of things with you quickly on the updated Bitcoin price. So without wasting any more time, let's just get straight to it. Here, I'm just going to show you a few things. So let's go and have a look. This is on the day time frame on the chart. As we all know, we had this descending wedge. We broke out here and we tested, we failed, we came back down and we tested the bottom and the purple resistance box here with a wick. And the wick didn't break this wick down here. So we're in pretty much good confluence in momentum. This candle here was also the strongest bullish buy that we've seen out of this entire time. The last time we had such a strong sell pressure was this long candle here. So if you give you some perspective, we've got a good chance of a return of our wonderful price on Bitcoin back up. I need to note a few things though. We are still below the moving average. We are still below my purple box and we are still below my white line. If you take a look at my white line here, you'll see that it's below the purple box, below the ribbon. It's below this point and it's below that point there. So if we have a look here, it's a significant level and that level is 41K. So we need to just be cognizant of that level. And yeah, as you can see there, that's the level that we want to break through. So if we can break through there, punch out, and like I said, that would form a W pattern on the day time frame, let alone the W pattern that I've been talking about on the weekly time frame. And this would be a basically a breakout of the neckline at 44,600. If we could break through there, our target is 56K. So guys, we're looking really very bullish on the day time frame right now. Or we're starting to have bullish candles and signals and points on the charts that are really giving us hopium rather than actually calling it bullish. Because at the end of the day, if we look at the chart, technically speaking, we're still bearish. So we just need to take cognizance of that. Let's have a look here. So just one last thing. So as I said, the low and the low are higher and higher. So if we can pull out here, we will be making a W pattern right here. Boom, 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 up and down. Okay, let's have a look at the weekly. Oh, wait. Before we go into the weekly time frame, this candle, oh my gosh, where's my cursor? This candle here that happened on Thursday is actually a very significant candle. And if we look at the volume, it was huge volume on Thursday. So massive volume, massive buy volume. And the candle closed pretty well. This candle's like a trying to decide candle. So let's just wait and see what happens over the next couple days and weeks, especially with what's happening in Russia, because obviously that's having an effect on crypto. But as we are seeing, crypto is having huge, massive adoption all across the space. So the same candle is appearing on the weekly time frame, and this weekly time frame, the volume is starting to become more buy volume than the past couple of weeks. So these past couple of weeks, which means that we're at a critical point. We've probably reached the point where we're going to bottom out. So as we can see on the weekly time frame, there's not only the smaller W pattern here that's breaking out and going to probably try and break out to the of this descending line here, which of course was the line that we broke above and then fell and then came back, and now we're going to go through it and test it again. So let's go and have an experience. And interestingly, so that is confluence right here with hello girl, oh, hello Pearl. Pearl saying hello to all of you, by the way. Pearl is our little wonderful kitten. And then basically, so this is all joining up in confluence here around this purple box, the bottom of the ribbon, and our W on the breakout pattern of the wedge, which would be the 41K level, and then breakup would take us up to the 55K level like we had said. So that's in the immediate term, as I all called to you the other day, and I posted it on Twitter. So go and have a look at my Twitter account. As I said, actually, well, this can be an M pattern, yes, but it's also a W pattern. And if this ends up becoming a bullish momentum up and we reach our targets here and hit our level, this is definitely becoming a W pattern. So not only will we be doing that, But on another time frame, on the same weekly time frame, we could also then be forming a cup and handle pattern, because if we reverse here, come up, we'll come back down, test some support before we break through the all-time high levels, which will give us a cup and handle pattern. But these are all predictions. These are all guesses at the moment, and call it what you will, but these are just scenarios that could happen with the Bitcoin price. And if these scenarios do play out in this manner, then that's going to be up to you to be ready to take action in whichever way it turns. So far, we don't seem to be breaking below the 30K level over here, which is a really wonderful sign. And this candle is looking extremely bullish on the weekly and the daily time frame. So that's going to be really good signal for us to look at for the long term. Let's go have a look quickly on the monthly time frame, because the monthly candle also matters quite a significant amount. Of course, it is our highest time frame. Wow. And actually, if we have a look at that, that is looking like a reversal candle and a bottoming out candle, just something similar to what happened there. So breakdown, reversal, bullish momentum. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments box below, and I'll be seeing you with another video over the course of the next day or two. And please, if you like my channel, I really do appreciate all your energy and your support, and thank you for being part of my community. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Take care. Lots of love and light and blessings to you, and have a wonderful day ahead with you and your family.